Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Putnam here. Just wanted to end up talking about what this video is going to be about. This is going to be the answer for warm-up number one. So the warm-up you did yesterday, all right, Monday, I'm recording it today. This is going to be the answer. I want to let you guys know that these problems I'm taking from that self-assessment in Algebra Nation. So every warm-up you see is from the self-assessment. So this is pretty much a freebie answer. I got to give props out. Raymond, Catherine, I saw your names. You already completed the warm up. Great job. Mitchell, first period, already completed the warm up. Great job. Dylan Doyle, seventh period. You've already watched the 3 videos 100%. So that's one less thing he has to end up doing. Just remember, guys, you need to make sure that self assessment is done by this Sunday at midnight. Make sure to come check the warm ups every single day. If you just pick an answer, you get 100. It's an easy 100. I would like for you to actually try to get them right since they are like the self-assessment, but I'm not going to punish you for getting them wrong. Okay, just log in, try it out. You have 24 hours to do it. Pretty basic. All right, let's go ahead and solve the warm-up from yesterday. All right, of course, I ended up giving you a word problem. Sorry, guys, it's my dog. I ended up giving you guys the word problem on the very first day. I know it sucks. It's awful. I just had to be that teacher, apparently. Looking at it, they're doing a talent show. They will end up awarding various prizes for the best 3 acts. All right. So I know there's 3 things taking place. Okay. 3 things that are taking place. All right. Sorry, this pin is not good. First place wins the most money. All right. So I have first place, second place, and third place. That's what's happening. There's 3 acts, all right? Somebody's the best, somebody's second best, and somebody's the last, all right? First place wins the most money. So I'm going to end up stating that first place is X. Now, I don't know how much money it is. Maybe it's $1,000. Maybe it's 2 grand. I have no idea. But X, first place is going to win X amount of dollars, all right? And then after that, after first wins, it's $50 less than the previous place. So I know the first one is going to end up being X minus 50 because it's $50 less, right? That's what's going to be happening. And third place is going to end up being X minus 100. That's what's happening. So right here, most amount of money. Second place, the most amount of money minus 50. Third place, the most amount of money minus 100. Okay? So this one's going to be the easiest one to figure out, right? Because it's X plus X minus 50 plus X minus 100. And the last one, because if you remember, we can still combine like terms. There's a 1 in front of this X. So it's 1X, 1X, 1X. If I combine all of those give me 3X. And if I have negative 50 or minus 50 and negative 100 or minus 100, it's minus 150. So that's going to end up being my second answer. Okay, guys, you got to end up looking at it as X represents something. It doesn't tell us how much money it is, it's just X. First one's not going to be right because it's minus 50, but then minus another 50. It's minus 100. This isn't right because there needs to be a 3 there, so that one's wrong. This one just doesn't make sense at all. And this one right here, they took the 100, but it needed to be minus 150. Not an easy warm-up. I know a couple students ended up getting it right today. The ones I saw, a lot of you got it wrong. Don't stress about it. You're still going to get 100% for it, all right? Remember, this one is on the self-assessment. Stay amazing, guys. Hopefully you guys are being safe. I know all of this is awful. And this pen is awful because I wasn't allowed to go back to the school and get mine. So I had to order one on Amazon. And I bought the cheapest pen ever. All right. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Reach out in teams. Ask me any questions that you have. I just responded to Brian in 7th period. He had a question. Outside of that, everybody else has been good. I know I talked to Kylie. Adam, I promise I'll show you a video of my dogs at some point. If I can get one to sit in my chair, maybe I'll have one of them do the warm-up so you guys don't have to just sit and look at me the whole time. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day, guys.